Dusting.
What are you doing?
This is a dusting.
Dusting. What is the purpose of dusting?
Purpose of the stick of this sticker.
So make sure guys to coat it properly.
And then
Shade.
this is the shape for the
Remove the powder. This is the powder. Make sure to cover all and after this bake. Okay. So since this is just one sheet or print, we can just use the manual instead of using this big machine. Baking machine just to save some time. So make sure if you do this one, leave some space to avoid sticking the sheets into the iron. Okay. Okay. This one maybe it will take 1 minute to 2 minutes, guys, to totally bake. You can see if it's finished. That you can see it's dry and glossy plastic.
it is smoky.
Smoke will go. Okay. Okay. Smoke is there. Okay. That's the print.
Khali Wali. Khali Wali. Khali Wali. Keep here 4 inch.
By the way, sir, what's the meaning Kaliwale?
Wali is damn care.
Don't care.
Damn care.
Damn care.
Khali Wali. Damn care.
Okay. Make sure it's straight and aligned. Okay. Press.
15 seconds.
This is the settings, temperature 170 and seconds is 15 seconds.
Wow!
15 seconds enough.
Okay.
Up and let it drop.
Wow. It's finished.
This is and Khali Wali.
See? So it's not yet finished.
Little before 5 minutes. This is seats before going to press it.
Huh?
So remove from one corner until the end.
Wow!
And again, double press to make sure quality is there.
Okay.
And then, Junior.
That's it, guys.